Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pull out this strap on your MARSHALL WILLEN II speaker. So here, as you can see, we do have this strap, and now you you shouldn't pull it like that upwards. You should pull it where this arrow points, like this. And now we are doing this, and it should come off automatically. And as you can see, let me show you like that. We have to take that and pull it not to the up, to go like that. And as you can see, it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.